If your CRM feels like a spreadsheet with a login, you're paying for pain. Here's why HubSpot keeps winning when we compare it to Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho, and DIY stacks. The core advantage is a unified data model across marketing, sales, service, CMS, and operations, so you don't need duct-taped integrations just to run basic plays. Time to value is fast. You can go live in days, not months, and teams actually use it because the UX doesn't fight them. Automation feels human with visual workflows, smart suggestions, and the ability to duplicate what already works so you can iterate instead of rebuild. Reporting is actionable because you get relevant insights pushed to you, not buried in complex dashboards. The ecosystem keeps compounding with native capabilities for mapping accounts, visualizing buying committees, and orchestrating full funnel motions without bouncing between tools. The competitors each have strengths, so Salesforce is extremely powerful but heavy to administer. Pipedrive, it nails the pipeline views but lacks full funnel automation depth. And Zoho offers breadth with inconsistent experience. And finally, DIY stacks hide their costs in maintenance and data quality. With HubSpot, it's the best for SMB to mid-market and for enterprise teams that value agility, adoption, and fewer moving parts. It's the difference between revenue operations that runs and revenue operations that drags. Make sure you like and subscribe for more HubSpot updates. Happy HubSpotting.